Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep. As you know, here I'm share about how we customize our theme and create new one. So far we have completed our Shopify theme and now we are working on some new features and some functions. So last time we have completed our the upsell HTML. So now we are going to make this one functional because last time we had just show the upsell items. Now we are going to add to cart based on the selection. So before any delay, let's start working on that one. So now our theme is up and running. So let's go to our product, which is this one, and this is the items we are using as a upsell. So first let me open my JS file, which is app.js.jQuery. This is the file. So this is our currency changes, format currency. This is our get to cart, this is our add to cart, this is our draw, and this is our functions like jQuery function. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste my HTML jQuery over here above our form cart because I want to add upsell items first in our cart, then I'm going to submit this form. So that's why I'm going to place my upsell code over here. So let's start working on that one. Let's say we have jQuery document dot on, and then click. This will be our, let's open our product template. So this is our button container, and in this container what I'm finding our add to cart button, which is add to cart. On this click I want to do one more thing here. Let's add e for preventing this one, e.prevent default. So I don't want to submit this one before our upsell is added. So next thing I have to do is I'm going to create a variable called console upsell form, and this will be an object, and this object will have updates, and updates also will be a object. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to loop through our, before looping through I'm going to store this one in variable. Let's say const items, let's call this one upsell items, and this will be jQuery upsell table. Before do that, let's do one changes here. I'm going to say this dot parents, and in this parents I'm going to find add to cart form, and this find upsell, and also saying input, which is checked. So let's say if dot length is greater than 0, then I'm going to do something, or else I'm going to say this dot parent is submit. So that's all for now, and now we can look through this one. I'm going to set this dot each, and in each function, let's say upsell form dot updates dot no dot, this should be a square one. Let's say jQuery this dot value. So what it will do, this is going to check. If this is checked, then this value is added over here, otherwise it's going to skip. Equal to 1. So I'm going to add statically 1. Let's check this one over here. By logging upsell form. So now we got our updated. Let's check. If I'm going to click on this one, this is going to submit our form with our item. Let's clear this one. The main item is added to cart. So let's check this one with our upsell items. Before that, let me open my console and click over here. Now we got our item in our object. So if I'm going to add one more, then we will have 2 items in updates. So we have 2 items. So that's all for now, and then after that I'm going to do one more thing over here. Let's add here theme dot upsell. Let's say async, and this will contain items with the arrow function. I am going to borrow this one. Since everything is same, so I copy this one. So over here it will have update instead of add to cart. The post is fine, then content, body will be our items, and the rest. So over here I'm saying if we have an error, we are going to show inside cart, otherwise I'm going to return true. So let's say over here I'm going to refresh, and beside this one let's open our cart too, so that we can check everything is working fine or not. Right now our cart is empty. Let's add to cart our gold one and add. Oops, we forgot to add over here. So what I'm going to do over here, let's say const upsell data equal to theme dot upsell, and this will have our form data, and log over here. Sorry. Sorry, log here upsell data. Let's refresh this and check. Now we have promise, but the item should be over here. Yeah, the item is added to cart. Let's clear this one and do some changes over here also. Let's say this will be a sync one and this will be away. Let's try this one again. Now we go through and our item is in cart. So let's remove this one again, and over here I am going to say if this is true, then I am going to submit our form. Why I am submitting this form? I am submitting this form because I had some other functionalities, like it's going to show our notification or age extra or something like that. So everything is managed over here, so I don't want to mess this functionality. That's why I'm submitting my form. So let's try this one. I'm going to add over here. We have empty cart right now, you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my gold variant and my product in cart. So if I'm going to add to cart, this is going to take bit of time. Now we are redirected to cart page. Over here you can see we have first item, which is the main item, then our upsell item. So everything is working fine. Please share and comment on my video so that I can get encouraged to create this one like this one videos more. That's all for today. See you in next video. Till then, keep coding, be awesome.